Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring two words that confuse many learners, to and toward. Also, towards, with an S. We'll explain that too.
These small words are used constantly in English.
Understanding them makes your English much more natural.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to use each one.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
And we want to give a special shout out to @Nina Iswa for this videos and learning with us.
Thank you so much, @Nina Iswa. We're so happy to have you in our English the Natural Way learning community. All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these words mean.
Both to and toward show direction.
But they show direction in different ways.
To shows movement to a specific destination.
You're going from here to there, a clear endpoint.
To shows movement in a general direction.
You're moving in the direction of something, but might not reach it. Let's see the difference clearly.
Using to.
Using to.
I'm going to the store.
The store is my destination. I will arrive there.
She walked to the door.
The door is the endpoint. She reached it.
They drove to Chicago.
Chicago is the destination.
To means you're going all the way to that place.
Using toward.
I'm walking toward the store.
I'm going in that direction but might stop before arriving.
She walked toward the door.
Moving in the door's direction but might not reach it.
They drove toward Chicago.
Going in Chicago's direction but might stop somewhere else.
Toward means you're heading in that direction, but the end point is less certain.
This is the key difference.
To equals definite destination. Toward equals general direction.
Another way to think about it.
To answers, where are you going?
I'm going to work. That's my destination.
Toward answers, which direction are you heading?
I'm walking toward the park. That's the direction. Toward versus towards.
What about towards with an S?
Toward and towards mean exactly the same thing.
The difference is just regional.
American English usually uses toward, no S.
British English usually uses towards with an S.
Both are 100% correct.
I'm walking toward the station, American.
I'm walking towards the station, British.
Same meaning, same usage.
Use whichever you prefer.
Uses of to.
Use 1, showing a specific destination.
We're going to Paris. She went to bed. He came to my house.
Use 2, showing a specific person receiving something.
I gave the book to Mary. She sent a letter to her friend.
Use 3, showing a specific point in time.
From Monday to Friday. From 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. 10 minutes to 6.
Use 4, before an infinitive verb.
I want to eat. She needs to study. They plan to travel.
2 has many uses beyond just direction.
Uses of toward or towards.
Use 1, showing general direction of movement.
He walked toward the exit. She looked toward the sky.
Use 2, showing attitude or feeling about something.
She has a positive attitude toward learning. His behavior toward others is kind.
Use 3, showing contribution or purpose.
I'm saving money toward a new car. This goes toward your education.
Use 4, showing approximate time.
Toward the end of the day, toward evening, toward midnight.
These uses are specific to toward. You can't use to here.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Hi, are you ready to go?
Yes, let's walk to the restaurant.
Okay, is it far?
Not too far. We'll walk toward the river and it's right there.
Great. I need to be back home by 8 p.m.
No problem. We'll eat from 6 to 7 so you'll have time.
Perfect. What's your attitude toward Italian food?
I love it. I'm looking forward to trying their pizza.
Me too. Let's head toward that direction now.
Actually, let's go directly to the restaurant. I'm really hungry.
Did you notice the differences?
Walk to the restaurant, specific destination.
Walk toward the river, general direction.
Back home by 8 p.m., specific time with to implied in by.
From 6 to 7, specific time range using to.
Attitude toward Italian food, feeling about something.
Looking forward to trying, infinitive use of to.
Head toward that direction, general direction.
Go directly to the restaurant, specific destination.
Both used correctly.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using toward for a definite destination.
Wrong. I'm going toward work, if work is your definite destination.
Correct. I'm going to work.
Use to when you're definitely going there.
Mistake 2. Using to for general direction.
Awkward. She looked to the sky.
Natural. She looked toward the sky.
For looking, facing, or general direction, use toward.
Mistake 3. Forgetting to before infinitives.
Wrong. I want eat. Correct. I want to eat.
Always use to before infinitive verbs.
Mistake 4. Using to for attitudes.
Wrong. His attitude to others.
Correct. His attitude toward others.
Attitudes and feelings take toward, not to.
How to choose correctly.
Decision 1. Is there a specific endpoint?
If yes, use to. I'm going to the store.
If no, use toward. I'm heading toward downtown.
Decision 2. Are you talking about attitudes or feelings?
Use toward. Her feelings toward him. My attitude toward work.
Decision 3. Is it before an infinitive verb?
Always use to. I want to sleep. She needs to study.
Decision 4. Are you showing contribution?
Use toward. Saving toward retirement. Money toward the project.
4 simple decisions.
More examples with to.
Direction. Come to me. Go to bed. Return to sender.
Time. From start to finish. 6:45. Up to now.
Person. Talk to her. Listen to me. Explain to them.
Infinitive. Love to dance. Try to understand. Hope to win.
To is extremely versatile.
More examples with toward.
Direction. Turn toward the light. Face toward the audience. Move toward the exit.
Attitude. Respect toward elders. Hostility toward enemies. Kindness toward strangers.
Contribution. Working toward a goal. Progress toward success. Steps toward improvement.
Time. Toward the end. Toward dawn. Toward the conclusion.
Toward shows general direction or approach.
Real life situations.
Giving directions.
Go to the end of the street, then turn left. Specific destination.
Walk toward the tall building and you'll see it. General direction.
Describing feelings.
She has a good attitude toward learning.
His behavior toward customers is professional.
Talking about goals.
I'm working toward my degree.
We're making progress toward our target.
Different contexts, different words.
Prepositions with to.
To often appears in set phrases.
According to, thanks to, due to, in addition to.
Close to, next to, similar to, related to.
These are fixed expressions.
Learn them as complete phrases.
Physical movement examples.
Using to for reaching a place.
I walked to the park and sat on a bench. I reached the park.
She ran to the finish line. She reached it.
Using toward for moving in a direction.
I walked toward the park, but stopped at the cafe. Didn't reach the park.
She ran toward the finish line but got tired. Didn't reach it.
The completion makes the difference.
Figurative uses.
Toward works in abstract situations.
We're moving toward a solution. Getting closer, but not there yet.
Society is progressing toward equality. General direction of change.
To in abstract situations shows arrival.
We came to a conclusion. We reached it.
She rose to power. She reached that position.
Same pattern. To equals reached. Toward equals approaching.
Your challenge for this week.
Day 1. Write 10 sentences using to for destinations.
Day 2, write 10 sentences using toward for directions.
Day 3. Practice to before infinitives. Make 10 sentences.
Day 4, write 5 sentences about attitudes using toward.
Day 5. Notice to and toward in movies or books.
Day 6, describe your day using both to and toward.
Day 7. Explain the difference to someone else.
By week's end, you'll use them naturally.
Common expressions with to.
To be honest, to tell the truth, to some extent.
To my surprise. To the best of my knowledge. To make matters worse.
These are idiomatic phrases.
Common expressions with toward.
Lean toward, work toward, pursue a goal.
Contribute toward. Go toward. Be used for.
Less common in idioms than to, but still important.
Understanding completion.
This is the heart of the difference.
To implies completion or arrival.
I went to the store. I arrived there.
Toward implies direction without guaranteed arrival.
I went toward the store. I headed that way, but maybe didn't arrive.
Think, did you get there?
If yes, to. If moving that way, toward.
Regional variations review.
Remember, toward and towards are the same.
Americans usually drop the S.
British English usually keeps the S.
Both are correct everywhere.
Don't worry about which one, choose one, and be consistent.
More detailed comparisons.
Let's see more side-by-side examples.
Travel. I drove to New York. Arrived. Versus I drove toward New York. Heading that way.
The bus goes to the airport. Destination. Versus walk toward the bridge. Direction.
At home. Go to your room. Reach it. Versus move toward the window. That direction.
At work. Going to a meeting. Specific. Versus working toward quarterly goals. Approaching.
Looking to versus toward.
Look to someone means seek help from them.
I look to my parents for advice.
Look toward something means direct your eyes that way.
Look toward the camera.
Time expressions.
To for specific times. From 9 to 5, 10 to 6, up to now.
Toward for approximate. Toward evening. Toward midnight.
To is precise. Toward is approximate.
Emotional contexts.
Feelings always use toward.
Love toward children. Respect toward tradition. Hostility toward change.
Never to for feelings.
Contribution and purpose.
This money goes toward college. Saving toward vacation. Showing purpose equals toward. Physical orientation.
Facing uses toward. Face toward the front. House faces toward ocean.
Common confused situations.
Goals. Working toward my goal, not to.
Recipients. Gave the book to Mary, not toward.
Approximate time. Toward the end, not to.
Infinitives. Want to eat, not toward.
Nuances in meaning.
Walked to the park, arrived, versus walked toward the park, headed that way.
The choice changes meaning.
Practice identifying errors.
Wrong, attitude to learning. Correct, attitude toward learning.
Wrong, gave it toward him. Correct, gave it to him.
Wrong, wants toward help. Correct, wants to help.
More contextual examples.
In sports, he ran to first base, reached it, versus he ran toward first base, direction.
In navigation, drive to the intersection, then turn. Specific point. Keep driving toward the mountains until you see the sign. General direction.
In relationships, she's kind to everyone, direct object. She's friendly toward strangers, attitude.
Abstract goals and progress.
We're moving toward sustainability, progressing toward equality, working toward peace.
All show direction of change, not completion.
When you reach the goal, use to. We came to an agreement. They rose to power.
Temporal progression.
As we move toward the deadline, approaching.
From morning to night, complete span. Toward the middle of the century, approximate period. Count to 10, reach that number.
Expressing preferences.
I lean toward the blue one. Slight preference. I prefer this to that. Use to after prefer.
Different structures for different verbs.
Fixed phrases to memorize.
With to, face to face, back to back, from head to toe, from time to time.
With toward, step in the right direction toward, make strides toward.
Learn these as complete units.
Quick review.
To shows movement to a specific destination.
Toward shows movement in general direction.
To implies arrival or completion.
Toward implies direction without certain arrival.
To is used before infinitive verbs.
Toward is used for attitudes and feelings.
Toward is used for contributions and goals.
Toward can show approximate time.
Toward and towards mean the same, regional difference only.
You now understand both words completely.
These small words make a big difference in clarity.
Practice using both in different contexts.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. I'm walking blank the store. Choose to or toward.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.